Excel describes the relationship between type and release year. It aims to explore the trends in the annual edition of Netflix. I grouped the years in this pivot table and I calculate indicators such as average value, median, variance, standard deviation, and skewness to uh, highlight the highlight the peak year in red for observation. I also did dashboards and dynamic charts with grow box and a couple of buttons. It shows the trends of movies and TV shows. I also add a slicer to make it easier for users to observe the changes in the chart. And I also made a frequency histogram and set a bin range. It demonstrates both the high and the low frequency ranges. Uh, this study aims this Excel studies the relationship between rating and year. I cut off the data from 2010 to 2020 for analysis. The aim is to uncover trends and patterns in how ratings are distributed over time. I made a pivot table, added dashboards, and dynamic graphs. Uh, I also added slicers and created a heat map to visually display the distribution of the number of rating content in different years, and the shades of color represent the number of high and low levels, which is easy to quickly identify high frequency areas and distribution trends. I also made a box plot to show the main characteristics of the data distribution. This Excel describes the relationship between rating and duration in season. I also made a pivot table and made a dashboard with buttons and group boxes, added slicers, and made dynamic charts to visualize data. I also made a stacked chart to compare the distribution of program duration with different ratings.